If you guys are wondering for a gift idea to give someone, I think I can help you. How? Let me tell you. Okay, so if he or she likes chocolate as I do, then this bouquet will be the best gift for them. And if they don't, then you can replace these chocolates with flowers, some Polaroids, or with the things they like. And here I am making a chocolate bouquet with the basic things like basic resources. And this was an order from a girl who wants to gift this bouquet to her sister. And the first thought came in my mind was like, where to find such sister who surprises you with gifts? Well, let's attach sticks to the chocolate with the help of a cello tape. Did the same with all of the chocolates. It only took me 1 hour to make it. So I can say that it's a last minute DIY. Keeping all these chocolates aside and arranging them like this, securing it with a cello tape. And one more thing, don't judge these sticks. Yeah, because I was unable to get those sticks. That's why I am using these. Arranged the second line and secured it. And yeah, it is so easy to make. In fact, if you lack of creativity, then still you can make this just by watching this video. So watch till the end. And here I am arranging the last line, securing it too. You can increase the number of chocolates and you can decrease it too. It's up to you. Now I'm using a cellophane sheet and A4 size craft paper of pink and white color and taping it by folding the ends like this. Now placing the chocolate tree above it and wrap it like this with the help of tape, securing it. Again, taking a craft paper of pink color, fold it like this and tape it. Did the same with white and placed it below. We'll repeat the same process with the cellophane sheet. We'll wrap and secure it with the tape too. And things go wrong in a hurry. Taking a white sheet and folding it like this, and we'll make a design. Kinda design. Don't know what to say this, but you can call it just a design. It will something look like this, and we'll make 3 of it and one with pink color. We'll tape it like this. First I am taping 2 of white, then pink, and then again white color. Now on my way to make handle. Yes, handle, because you will hold the bouquet with it, so handle. First I am wrapping it with white paper, then the pink. Shaping the pink color paper like this and then wrap around it. Securing it with the help of a tape. Now taking a ribbon of pink color and making a knot, wrapping it all around, and we'll make a knot again and bow. Cutting the ends obliquely. Now taking the cellophane sheet again, covering the chocolates and tape it like this and also from behind. And it is done. Here is the final look. And you guys, if you like this idea, do like, subscribe, share, and yeah, don't forget to hit the bell icon and comment. Bye bye till the next video.